Hi, I'm Pete from RestorFX Windsor, Ontario, Canada. I've been a mobile paint technician for almost 30 years, and I came across RestorFX at Mobile Tech Expo, 2020, the Mobile Tech Expo of 2020. And me being in the paint space, I really saw the benefit of having a product like RestorFX for dealership, reconditioning. It just filled that void of traditional paint correction or wet sanding and polishing to the difference between painting. So it kind of filled that. It was that in-between service that really did well with the dealership space. And obviously now with retail would be a good segment too. What I liked about RestorFX for me being a mobile tech, being out on the road. So what happens is at close to 30 years of doing this, it's starting to break down my body. I needed an extra strategy, and that's what I found RestorFX was. It was a scalable, buildable business that you can bring employees in, train them, and have them do the work for you. And it's a proprietary product, so it's not like paint or dent removal where they're gonna come and you're gonna teach them and eventually they just go out on their own. So what's nice about RestorFX is you train your employees. It's like having a pizza shop or a sub shop. There's a system in place. They're able to process the cars, and it's a business that would run without you having to have every aspect of the business that you're having to do. What I liked about RestorFX is just the whole background of the product and the company itself. They not only offer a great product, but there's a lot of support on the back end of helping centers to get them set up, get them trained, get them developed into a viable business. I currently have one center, and I've partnered up with Dave from RestorFX Chatham, and we're going to venture into the Detroit market. And we've already have one location started up in Detroit, and we're hoping to have multiple locations there. There's lots of opportunity for somebody who would like to get into RestorFX. It's a great product. Everything in the company itself is there, and they're going to help you be successful. But just so people know, it's like anything else. I feel like you have to. It's going to invest a lot of your time, a lot of your sweat, and the passion that you're going to have to make this work. So it's a lot of work. As long as people realize it's like anything else in life, you're going to get out of it what you put in it. There are a few small different things that I would probably do different, but I really wouldn't change a whole lot. We started March of 2020. So we were right in the middle of the pandemic. But there are things that I would change, but they're minor things. I think a lot of the struggles and obstacles that we went through were actually helping us to learn from those mistakes and to be better. And I just feel like it was a path that we had to go through.